Psalm 3, Morning Prayer of Trust in God. A psalm of David, when he fled from Absalom his son. O Lord, how my enemies have increased! Many are rising up against me. Many are saying of me, there is no help, no salvation for him in God. Selah. But you, O Lord, are a shield for me, my glory and my honor, and the one who lifts my head. With my voice I was crying to the Lord, and he answered me from his holy mountain. Selah. I lay down and slept safely. I awakened, for the Lord sustains me. I will not be intimidated or afraid of the 10,000s who have set themselves against me all around. Arise, O Lord, save me, O my God, for you have struck all my enemies on the cheek. You have shattered the teeth of the wicked. Salvation belongs to the Lord. May your blessing be upon your people. Selah.